Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, we are talking about if statement, else if and if statement with practicing, right? I'm not going to cover theoretical concept with if statement, else if or else statement, right? I use example and explain how we use this statement in C# development, right? C#, it will be C#, it will be .NET, right? This if statement concept, if you have some knowledge about other programming language like Python, C++, or Java, or JavaScript, PHP, or any language, those language also has this if statement, right? Is almost same, right? Okay, first I use my previous project and I create one more class called if else statement, right? I want to first I make this class public. First of all, I want to create some method, right? I use public void test if else. This is my method, nothing returning, right? Now I use if statement. If statement accept some boolean value. Boolean mean it's true or false. Think about this. This will be any statement, right? This result must be boolean, right? It will be true, or false, right? So otherwise it can be not true. Not true mean false, right? This also possible, not false, right? If this condition is true, it comes to this bracket, right? If this is false, I use else if. Check this, right? We can use some statement. 1 equal to right? They check 1 equal to 2. 1 equal to is not, right? Then check second condition, 2 equal 3. You can use whatever, right? If this one is correct, this one is true, not. This also false, right? You can use this way also. 2 equal 3 2 equal 3 is false, not true equal false, it's true. Then execute this command, right? We can use else statement. If this any condition is not matched, they automatically choose this path, right? Remember this thing, right? We are not using this kind of thing. First make some variable. We can, right, first thing, console dot write line, we ask user to enter something. Please enter value. Please enter a number. We ask user to enter number, right? We accept user will enter a number, right? We use that number to this, we assign that number to this variable. This variable means this number, right? We use convert dot to in 32 bit to this console dot read line. User enter some value from this line and we convert it to int 32 bit, int 32, then that value assigned to this one, right? This number. Now we are checking this number equal 3. Actually this 2 equal sign we say it equal, right? If I use 1 equal sign, we use assign. This number assign 2, right? Actually the if statement accept some boolean result. Boolean mean is true or false. If you use enter 2, use console dot write line user entered 2. Right. If this statement is not true, that means user enter different value from 2, right? Then true 2. Then check number equal to other value. You can use any value, right? If this statement is true, we use copy 3. If this, we can use more else statement, right? Else if statement you can use anytime. Without if, you can't use else if or else, right? If, you must add if statement if you want to add else if or else statement, right? User enter, we can use the value number, right? Okay, now I want to execute this one. Go to your program.c#, remove all the things and make object from this class. You can use any name for object name, right? New object. Now I want to access object name dot test else if method, right? Run it. Ask users to enter some value. User enter 34. Then user enter 34. Okay, again check. User enter 1. User enter. Okay, no differences, right? You can't, right? Actually it is okay. If user enter 2 or 3, it will return like this. It will show 2 or 3 with word, right? Otherwise it shows the number. At 2, user enter 2, it will be 2. If user enter 3, it will be 3, right? It will be 3 mean, first check this statement. If user enter value is 2, it's not. Then check this one. User enter value is 3, yeah, that is true. Then print this one, right? This way, right? Remember these things, right? If statement or else if statement accept some boolean result. Boolean mean it will be true or it will be false, right? It will be true, it will be false. You can use any conditions, but its result must be boolean value, true or false. and you can add any number of else if statement, right? Check this. Is 4. It's 4. Check 4. Any number of else if statement. But remember this, you can't use else if statement or else statement without if, right? You can add many if statement, it doesn't matter. You can use one more if statement. If $20 console.log $20, right? Don't worry, but this else if and this else if and this else belongs to this if, right? Not this is, this if, right? Next thing, you can add many nested if statement inside if, right? That part I hope to cover in next video, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move into next lesson.